Question number 4 is same as question number 1. Okay, so in question number 4, first distance is given to you 600 kilometer and time is 3 hours 20 minutes. So the first thing is what you should convert time 3 hours 20 minutes in hours. Then find speed, then you will get speed that in kilometer per hour. Okay, so then you have to convert that speed kilometer per hour into meter per second. Then you can find that how much distance will the car cover in 50 seconds. Okay, so first you will find speed. Okay, then speed कैलकुलेट करने के बाद आपको उस स्पीड को कन्वर्ट करना है मीटर पर सेकेंड में, और मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद उस स्पीड को आप वैल्यू उसकी जो वैल्यू है उसको फिर से यूज़ करेंगे नेक्स्ट कंडीशन के लिए, और नेक्स्ट कंडीशन में आपको टाइम गिवन है 50 सेकेंड्स। तो जो स्पीड फर्स्ट कंडीशन से कैलकुलेट होगी उस स्पीड को और टाइम को यूज़ करके आप वहाँ पे क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे, डिस्टेंस सेकेंड कंडीशन के लिए। ओके, सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, and question number 5, Rohit goes 350 kilometer. Rohit goes 350 kilometer in 5 hours. Okay, so the first find is speed. As you know, speed equals to what? Distance upon time. So 350 is distance, time is 5 hours. So 70 kilometer per hour is your speed. First answer is 70 kilometer per hour. Now the second question is what? Distance covered by Rohit. That means for the second condition we don't know what is the distance here, so we have to find distance. Okay, in 6.2 hours. So time is 6.2 hours, and the speed is what we have calculated in first case. So speed equals to 70 kilometer per hour. Okay, now distance that we have to find. So as you know very well, distance equals to speed into time. Speed into time. So speed is 70 kilometer per hour, time is 6.2. So this 70 into 6.2 can be written as 62 upon 100. Okay, so this 0 get cancelled, then 7 into 62, so 434 kilometer is the required answer for the second condition. Now in the third case, the time taken by him to cover distance 200 kilometer. Now in the third case, time is distance is given to you 200 kilometer, then time taken by him that we have to calculate. So simply we don't know what is the time here, but the speed which we have calculated above is 70 km per hour. So speed equals to what? 70 km per hour. Now time that we have to find. Okay, so time equals to distance upon speed. So distance is 210 kilometer and speed is 70 kilometer per hour. So this 0 get cancelled, 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. So the required time is 3 hours. So like question number 5, you have to solve the given conditions. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया, ठीक है, एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं, इसको रिपीट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में पहले ये बता रहा है कि 350 किलोमीटर कवर करता है 5 आवर्स में, तो डिस्टेंस पता है, टाइम पता है, यहाँ से हमने क्या निकाला, स्पीड निकाला, तो जो स्पीड आया वो 70 किलोमीटर पर आवर। ये फर्स्ट केस सॉल्व। सेकेंड केस में डिस्टेंस कितना है ये हमको नहीं पता, टाइम पता है और स्पीड जो कैलकुलेट की हमने वो हमको पता है, तो टाइम और स्पीड को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमने क्या निकाल दिया, डिस्टेंस। ठीक है, थर्ड केस में डिस्टेंस गिवन है, टाइम नहीं पता, स्पीड हमने जो कैलकुलेट की थी 70 वो यूज़ करेंगे। तो यहाँ से हमने टाइम निकाल दिया 210/70, तो आपका जो टाइम आया वो कितना आया, 3 आवर्स। तो एक ही क्वेश्चन में 3 वेराइटीज़ हमने सॉल्व की। ओके, then question number 6 is same as question number 5. Okay, so you can solve question number 6. Similarly, question number 7. In question number 7, I travel a distance of 10 kilometer and come back in 1.5 hours. Kilometer distance, time is given, simply calculate speed. That is very easy question for you. Okay, then question number 8. In question number 8, a man walks a distance of 5 kilometer in 2 hours. Okay, then 5 kilometers in 2 hours by walking. Then he goes in a bus to a nearby town which is 40 kilometer in further 2 hours. Okay, so next is 40 kilometers in 2 hours. Then from there he goes to his office in an auto rickshaw, a distance of 5 kilometer in half hour. What was his average speed during the whole journey? So distance of 5 kilometer traveled on foot in 2 hours. Then distance of 40 kilometer traveled by bus in 2 hours. Then distance of 5 kilometer traveled by rickshaw in half hour. Okay, so as you can see, the total distance and the total time, because we have to find average speed. Okay, so for the average speed, total distance divide by total time. So first, total distance equals to 5 kilometer, 40 kilometer and 5 kilometer. So 5 plus 40 plus 5, that is 50 kilometer. Okay, then total time equals to 2 hour plus 1.5 hour. So 2 hour plus 2 hour plus 1.5. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 by 2. Solve this, so you will get 9 by 2 hour. Okay, so now substitute value in this formula. So average speed that we have to find. So average speed equals to total distance is 50 kilometer. So 50 upon total time, that is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2, this 2 will go to numerator. So 50 into 2 divided by 9. Okay, so 50 into 2, 100 upon 9. So your average speed is 100 upon 9 kilometer per hour. If you want to convert this in this fraction, you can. Okay, so this is your required answer. Then question number 9 and question number 10 is homework for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask.